Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to file transfer guys Oppo phone to guys any Android phone. Friends, you want to file transfer guys your Oppo phone to any phone, so how to file transfer today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to file transfer. First guys, we will take two phones, and guys on your phone friends you have the same Google file. Friends, you have this Google file same here, so friends you can file transfer easily nearby share. So first of all on guys your file, and friends you want to send videos, photos, so guys click on share option and send. Same here friends, we will click on nearby, and guys don't click receive now. First guys select photos and app. Friends, first friends I will select these photos, and friends one video friends I will select. Now video friends I will select guys app. Friends, you want to send any app, so you can set from here, select app, and guys this app will save here. So this app guys we will select, and guys now click first send option, and guys now click here receive option. Click on friends continue, okay. Friends wait. Friends, you can see guys this name, this phone. Friends click here, and with this phone friends you will get a notification accept, so guys click on accept. And friends click here accept, and this photos video will transfer on this phone. And friends you can check this same photos and same videos here, and same photo and same videos here. Friends browser, friends you can check these photos. Friends you can see browser I will on, same photo friends here, and same photo is here. Friends images, friends you can see the same photos here, this photo and this photo is here guys, we share. So like that friends we can file transfer guys, we can transfer photos and videos. Friends you can transfer app also. Friends you can see the same app here and same app. Friends you can see picards here, and when this phone guys we have picard app. Friends you can see picard apps. So friends I think friends we will have to download it on file, and friends you can share with share me app also guys. Click on share me and share me app. Friends you want to receive, so guys click here, agree here, join here, allow. While using this app friends click here. Which app friends you want to transfer, friends you can transfer app from here. So I will send app, so guys I will click on apps. Again guys we will send guys picard app. So friends picard is here, send. Next friends turn on your Wi-Fi. Friends turn on your Bluetooth. Next, and friends now guys scan this QR code, and friends you can transfer these apps. Friends you can see app will transfer here. Friends friends again we will scan this QR code, and when direct friends you can click here. I think we will have to connect first any Wi-Fi network. Friends click here, then the app will transfer. Friends you can see this app will transfer on this phone. So like that way we can file transfer, we can transfer photos, videos, files, apps. So I hope you understood how to transfer it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Friends you can install this app and you can use on this phone. So bye guys.